How to blur out a part of video in CapCut. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and today we are back again with a new video. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly open CapCut application. Choose the video in which you want to add a blur out part. Unselect the video, go to Effect and go to Video Effects. In the search box, simply search for blur filter. So write the keyword blur and hit the enter key. Then after you will see a lot of effect giving you the blur effect for your video. Choose any one which you like. After that, once you have chosen, simply click on OK. Once the effect has been chosen, simply expand it throughout your video. After that, for the further setting, simply click on the video. Then after scroll to the right. You will see the option of duplicate. Simply click on it. Tap on the duplicated part of the video. Then after scroll in the options again. You will see the option of overlay. Once you do, simply click on it and arrange exactly the overlay below our original video. So as now we have already applied the blur filter in our original video, go to overlay and manage the part which you just want to stay clear. And there you go. That is how easily you can blur out a part in video in CapCut. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.